Hey folks, on Red River Gorge again.
That's right. We are heading out on the western side of Red River Gorge.
Yep.
Hoping to find Star Gap Arch. For the record, I am using the Outrage GIS maps for pretty much everything I do here in the gorge. But the only other thing that I ever refer to is Hinterland's book that has all the off-trail adventures. So Star Gap is actually an unofficial trail. So we're going off the Double Arch Road, heading up now the Star Gap Trail. My trail leader catfish up here.
There's that view.
Yeah, there's a nice view.
Yeah. Now if only you could put a campsite here.
If we brought our tents, we could totally camp right here. Well, actually up there. I don't see very good trees for hammocks. We wouldn't want to camp right here though anyway. There'd be too many people. Because right here is Star Gap Arch.
So what are we on top of it right now?
Yes, we are on top of Star Gap Arch right now.
Oh, for some reason I was thinking it would be like one of those roads to the side of us or something.
Nope, this is the trail goes right over it. So then you have to find the trail to go down to the side of it.
Yeah. I see a spider.
Where'd he go? Oh, he climbed up. Yep, that's one of the, just like the one at home.
Orb weavers. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I've already ate one spider web on this trail, and I wouldn't want to eat one with him in it. Big old orb weaver right there.
Yep.
Right now, I'm just gonna slide on my butt down here and go. Okay.
Good.
Your turn. Just aim towards the tree so you have something to stop yourself.
That tree.
Yeah. Just slide. Yep. Good job, little buddy.
Thanks.
Look at that.
Yeah. We were just on top of that.
Yeah, from above you can't even tell there's an arch there, can you?
Yeah, it just looks like a clay.
That is pretty awesome, isn't it, buddy? That's a way bigger arch than what I expected it to be. Look at the markings on the underside of it. A pretty great little spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm glad we stuck with it to find the trail to get down. We were having a lot of issues finding the right route to get underneath here. You don't gotta go to Utah to see some really awesome arches. High five, buddy. Yeah, Star Gap Arch. Mission accomplished. All the way up to those roots. Quite a view, huh, catfish?
Yeah.
I believe over there is Star Gap Arch, where we were at just a little bit ago.
Yeah.
So today's forecast was for partly sunny and a 20% chance for precipitation. But right now, there's a big old thunderstorm cell just to our west, and it keeps rumbling. And we're not sure if we're going to stay dry or not, huh, buddy?
Nope.
All right, this storm looks like it's about ready to hit. We are going off trail a little bit here, regardless of the sign, to see if we can find us some shelter. All right. I think this will do if it decides to really storm.
Yeah.
All right. Give us a little bit of protection here. Well, this is going to be our shelter for a little while until this thunderstorm passes. Well, the rain finally passed, moved on. It put us almost 2 hours behind. Not a big deal. It's kind of relaxing, actually. There you go, buddy. Is that a pretty cool view or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Headed to another arch today.
Yep.
Over there is Oxia Ridge. See somebody's tent right on the side.
Yep. We were there once.
Just swallowed a bug. Well, we backtracked a little bit, and we were hoping to find somewhere to spend the night tonight. It has a nice view, so let's see if this qualifies. Is the view looking good so far, buddy?
Yeah.
It's quite a fireplace to cabin. Oh yeah, I like it.
What'd you say?
I like it.